The market's struggling more than an hour before the open. And then U.S. economic advisor Kevin Hassett, he made some remarks about oil tankers passing through the Strait of Hormuz and, quote, everything is under control. And I think that was real interesting, right? Because the market started to move up. Now, of course, listen, he doesn't move markets like Besant or President Trump, but I did see bids begin to mount, and they began to mount big time. And, you know, it's really interesting because you nudge some of these fence sitters who've been looking for a reason to jump in. A lot of folks keep talking about buying a dip, looking for the right moment. Now, making the market reaction even more compelling was news that Israel had taken out Iran's top intelligence chief. Now, you know, immediately when that happened, social media lit up. This is going to be disastrous, a deleterious impact. It's going to trigger an even more bellicose Iran. You know, this is not what you do. Well, they did it. Okay, and we're up a little bit today. It brings up the one of the stories really the mainstream media that has been harping on, and that's relying on, of course, they're relying on anonymous sources and guesswork, but this notion that the U.S. has somehow been outfoxed or caught flat-footed by Iran. By the way, you won't believe, though, the media outlets that gave or have been giving America credit. Al Jazeera out saying every aspect of the Iran's ability to project regional power is being successfully degraded. It wasn't just them. The Atlantic, I haven't seen a positive Atlantic's article in a long time. Campaign has already delivered major wins for American national security, but something much bigger is starting to come into view. Now, there's no doubt that the coast is getting clearer each day. And, you know, we look at the volume of attacks from Iran, you know, more recently, more with their Middle Eastern neighbors than with Israel. Of course, we want to see that get all the way down to zero, but obviously it's moving in the right direction. And so listen, many people equate the war, conflict, and investing to a game of chess, right? The stakes are high for both. And right now there are two camps on Wall Street. Those who see doom and gloom around every corner, and you know who some of these folks are. In fact, yesterday they seemed to be celebrating the 18th anniversary of the collapse of Bear Stearns. The other camp understands that this too shall pass. And like the folks at Goldman and Morgan Stanley, they're pretty positive right now. For now, cash levels are slightly above the record low. So it's interesting, again, how you can interpret news. So cash levels jumped the biggest monthly increase from COVID. Well, it was at the all-time low, so it's still relatively low. Listen, trepidation remains in the air as long as geopolitical conflict is there. And by the way, it has surged to the top, no surprise here, in terms of your biggest tail risk right now. Private credit also on the rise here big time. But oddly, the 2025 boogeyman, you know, those two things that were going to destroy the stock market and the economy, the trade wars at 2%, U.S. debates at just 1%, both almost at zero. Many consider war, like I was saying, and investing to be like a game of chess, which means it's just not that easy.